Hello, friends. Over the past decade, China's economic growth has significantly outpaced that of the United States. But have you ever wondered why this has happened?
So, welcome to a new episode of Maya Jalar Alo. Many of us regularly buy products made in China. The reason is simple. China can produce a wide range of electronic goods that are affordable and offer good usability.
However, there are also some unusual and controversial aspects surrounding China. For example, in certain regions, there are traditions of consuming unusual foods that have been practiced for many years. It is also often reported that millions of animals are killed there every year.
In cities like Beijing, the capital of China, along with other regions, various uncommon foods and cultural practices can be seen, which may seem quite strange to us. Additionally, social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter have been restricted in China since 2009. At the same time, the country is highly advanced in technology and infrastructure, such as high-speed trains and modern cities. Ye all know that the Great Wall of China is the most famous landmarks in the world. But China is not only known for its architecture, it is also a global leader in manufacturing a wide range of products. Many products of major global brands are manufactured in China. However, there have also been allegations of counterfeit or low-quality goods in some cases, such as discussions around synthetic rice. Overall, China represents both rapid development and certain concerns. Therefore, it is always wise to carefully verify any product before purchasing.